Did you know that by the time you reach your mid-20s, your skin starts to lose its elasticity and firmness? And by the time you hit 40, your skin's natural ability to generate itself has slowed down dramatically. It's no wonder that retinol has become a holy grail for many of us in our skincare routines. Retinol has been widely praised for its ability to combat signs of aging like reducing fine lines and wrinkles and evening out your skin tone. But despite its many benefits, there's still a lot of people who struggle to incorporate retinol into their daily skincare routine because it can cause some side effects, especially if you have very sensitive skin. Retinol is also not recommended if you may be pregnant or breastfeeding. And if you're one of these people, it can leave you feeling like you're missing on the skincare fun. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm so excited to share with you 5 amazing retinol alternatives that can give you amazing skincare benefits without the drawbacks. So first up is Bakuchiol, which is a natural alternative to retinol that's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. So my favorite Bakuchiol product is this one from Good Molecules. This is their Bakuchiol blend for oily skin. So this oil has a blend of rosehip seed oil, baobab seed oil, and of course Bakuchiol. So what makes Bakuchiol special is the recent discovery that it behaves in the skin in a way very similar to retinol. So both Bakuchiol and retinol affect how skin cells behave and help them produce important proteins like collagen. Essentially, they regulate skin cell activity in a similar manner. To be more specific, both Bakuchiol and retinol upregulate collagen 1, 3, and 4 production and downregulate MPP, which is the evil collagen attacking enzyme in our skin. As a result, more collagen remains in the skin, leading to firmer, smoother skin with fewer wrinkles. So this one can be used AM or PM after your cleanser and toner and before your moisturizer. So to use this, you just need to put a few drops on the palm of your hand. You spread it on the palm of your hand and then you press it on your skin. So I find that doing this is a more effective way of using this instead of putting the drop directly onto your face. I like this because unlike other face oil, this is very light. Maybe because this is really made for oily skin. They also have another type for dry skin, but I really like this because it's very light, it's easy to use, and every time I use it on, I feel like my face feels tighter after use. The only drawback I have with this product is that it comes in a very tiny bottle. I wish they make it a little bigger, even if it's just like 30 ml, that's fine. This is 12 ml and usually product starts with 15 ml. So this is very small. So don't be surprised if you get this and you see it in a very small bottle. It's just how they package this. But beside that, I think that this is a very good Bakuchiol product. So another alternative is peptides. So peptides are a short chain of amino acids that make up certain proteins needed by the skin, more specifically, again, collagen. So collagen is made of 3 polypeptide chains, so adding peptides can stimulate your skin to make more collagen and help to plump up fine lines and wrinkles. So my favorite product containing peptide is this Ampoule N peptide shot. So this one contains 6 types of peptides and has a very unique appearance. So it has this short strands that looks like thread, and these are concentrated peptides. And I read somewhere that it's supposed to go into the fine lines on your skin and gives you that thread lifting effect. I'm not sure about that thread lifting effect. I don't have like a really visible fine line on my skin, but I saw this blog and I saw a dramatic change on her fine lines within 2 months. What I like about this product is that it's very fast absorbing, it's very light on the skin, and this really layers well with my other skincare products. I also think that this peptide shot is really great for skin prep before putting your makeup on, because every time I use this, my skin feels very moisturized, my skin looks more plump. So it's really great as a skincare product and also as a prep before makeup. So you can use this AM or PM right after cleansing your face and using your toner, and you can use this before your serums and moisturizers. So next we have vitamin C, which is packed with antioxidants and helps to brighten up dull complexion and enhance skin texture just like retinol. But vitamin C also has property that retinol does not have, which is photo protection. So vitamin C limits the damage induced by ultraviolet light exposure. But don't be confused, you still need sunscreen when you're using your vitamin C. Vitamin C does not act like sunscreen because it does not absorb light in the UVA or UVB spectrum, but the antioxidant activity of vitamin C protects against UV-induced damage caused by free radicals. So in turn, it can slow skin aging, lessen UV radiation damage, and decrease the breakdown of collagen. So my favorite vitamin C serum is from Benton. This is their 20% pure vitamin C, and this one contains highly pure British source vitamin C at a high concentration of 20%. And unlike other vitamin C serum, it's actually white, and it's because the pure raw material of vitamin C in its inherent form is actually white. So with my skin type, the lower concentration of vitamin C actually doesn't do anything on my skin. I've tried a lot of vitamin C serum, but it gives me a glow. It hydrates my skin, but when it comes to brightening, helping me with hyperpigmentation, it doesn't really do much on my skin. So I really love that this one has 20%, and I really saw improvement on my hyperpigmentation and my post-acne marks with this vitamin C serum. This formula also has 70% skin moisturizing agents to enhance absorption and making it suitable even for sensitive skin. I also love the packaging of this serum because it comes in an airless container, reducing concerns about oxidation. It's a little on the heavy side, so if you have oily skin, you might want to use this at night instead of in the morning. I have oily combination skin, but so far I have no problems using this in the morning. What I do is I just let this sit on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes before I move on to my sunscreen or my moisturizer, because if I don't wait, I find that layering it with my moisturizer or my sunscreen can be a little bit heavy. Again, in my experience, this is the only vitamin C serum that worked on lightening my dark post acne marks. So I have a huge pimple, I think a month ago, and it really left me with a big red mark here. It was here on near my lower lip. And I've tried a lot of brightening skincare products and a lot of other vitamin C serum. I didn't see any lightening effect at all. And then I introduced this vitamin C serum in my morning skincare routine, and I saw a huge improvement within 2 weeks of use. But again, I always say this with my every video, make sure that you patch test first. If you're new to vitamin C or if you're new to acids, always make sure to patch test first, see how your skin reacts to it before using it daily. But in my personal experience, I used this every morning straight for 2 weeks, and I didn't see any irritation, any purging. It was very gentle on my skin. Okay, my next retinol alternative is niacinamide. So niacinamide is a gentle skincare ingredient that helps diminish the signs of aging, discoloration, and blemishes. Almost all skincare products have niacinamide now. Even with sunscreens, you would notice that almost all of them has niacinamide. So it is a very popular skincare ingredient, but my favorite niacinamide serum is this Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule from Skin 1004. So this one has 4% niacinamide, 2% tranexamic acid, and it also has this encapsulation of Made White, which is a trademark of Skin 1004. So if you are sensitive to high concentration of vitamin C, I think that you would love this Ampoule. I think that this is a more gentle and effective dark spot correction Ampoule. So same as the Ampoule and Peptide Chat, this also has encapsulation. So it has an encapsulation of Made White, which is a trademark of Skin 1004. And this white, like boba, like small boba type, really bursts quickly onto your skin. And every time I use this Ampoule, I find that my skin is always more glowy, and also my skin looks a little bit brighter every time I use this Ampoule on. And you can also use this AM or PM after cleansing and toning and before your moisturizer. And finally, we have this gentler but powerful plant-based ingredient that helps reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity, which is ginseng. So ginseng is good for anti-aging thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and collagen boosting properties. In fact, ginseng is recognized by the Korean FDA for its anti-aging properties. And my favorite ginseng product is this one from the Skin House, and this is their Wrinkle Supreme Serum. So this serum has red ginseng to promote skin elasticity and collagen production, and it also has 9 types of mushrooms which are rich in antioxidants. It also has adenosine, which has proven anti-wrinkle benefits. So this one is quite sticky when you initially apply it, so make sure that you pat it and press it on your skin after applying it on. I have no deep wrinkles yet, well, knock on wood, but I grabbed this testimonial on TikTok and you can see a really great visible results on her eye area after using this serum. So those are the 5 amazing retinol alternatives that can help you achieve that flawless skin you deserve, each with its own unique benefits and advantages, whether you're struggling with sensitivity, dryness, or hyperpigmentation. There's an alternative out there that's perfect for you. So if you have tried any of these retinol alternatives, I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments down below. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this to your friends, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Thank you so much, Charles, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.